In today's video, we'll discuss the top 6 products and what to consider before buying. We've ranked these products by performance, price, durability, and more. Check out the description for more information and current pricing. JYXOIHUB. The 10-point multi-touch, high-definition touch screen display for multi-user, multi-device real-time editing and sharing. Digital whiteboards for the wall to take notes and annotation on images or documents for better creative instruction. The electronic whiteboard function of the Smart Whiteboard supports graphic recognition and table insertions. Supports Airplay, Miracast, and screen mirroring from mobile devices. Electronic boards for intelligent split-screen display. It supports 5G Wi-Fi, Android 11.0, 4.32G, supports iOS system and Android systems, can project video, pictures, music, documents, etc. on mobile phones, and can also watch, learn, product electronic digital displays, etc. Let JYXOIHUB Live Smartboard lead other competitors. The superior hardware of the Digital Whiteboard provides unprecedented writing experiences, and the 6 memas response time ensures that the stylus-to-touchscreen experience is natural and familiar. Live streaming equipment, smartboard, one-key wireless screen projection, can be used online, supports wireless connection, wired USB connections, input screen code connection, and other humanized connection methods. Large screen reverse controls, mobile phones, 2-in-1 operation, one machine has multiple uses. JYXOIHUB live broadcast smartboards are ahead of other competitors. The open ecosystem of JYXOIHUB interactive whiteboard display allows you to download the application or software that best suits you. What you create on the LCD screens can be exported to your favorite cloud drive, such as Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, and Box. AI Board. The Digital Whiteboard offers the capability to share multiple screens from your mobile phone, computer, etc. through wireless screen casting and enables you to edit or annotate the content whenever necessary. Moreover, you can also utilize intelligent polling, anonymous suggestions, and other features to facilitate the best decision-making process. The Smart AI Board ensures the most immersive meeting experience for colleagues worldwide by connecting multiple audio devices with the Armor 2.0 intelligent noise cancellation algorithm, effectively capturing sound in the far field without any dead spots. Featuring a 20-point touch control, a response time of less than 6 mils, high writing accuracy within +1 millim, a one-key color switch, an erase function, and other intelligent writing functions. This board significantly enhances efficiency while reducing dust pollution. The writing content can also be transformed into a QR code for easy scanning and sharing. Powered by Android 11.0, its complete and open ecosystem seamlessly integrates popular applications that are already part of your workflow. The 4K UHD display, along with anti-glare treatment and a smart touchscreen, prevents the drawbacks associated with dim meetings or teaching environments caused by projectors. Innex Ideao Hub. The Innex Ideao Hub 24. Interactive Whiteboard is a versatile and powerful tool designed for office and classroom use. This interactive whiteboard features a QHD 10-point touchscreen display, making it easy to collaborate and interact with digital content. It is also compatible with MPP 2.0, allowing for seamless integration with popular software applications and devices. The Ideao Hub 24. Interactive whiteboard comes with a sturdy stand, making it easy to set up and use in any environment. It also features a built-in speaker and microphone, allowing for clear and concise communication during online training and learning sessions. The whiteboard offers a range of interactive features, including the ability to annotate and highlight digital content, as well as the ability to share and collaborate on document and presentation in real time. It also has a built-in camera and motion sensor. allowing for gesture-based control and interaction. With that, the Innex Ideao Hub 24. Interactive Whiteboard is a powerful and versatile tool that enhances collaboration, online training, and learning in office and classroom settings. Its intuitive designs and advanced features make it a valuable addition to any organization or educational institution. LINGHUFOX. This classroom smartboard delivers an uninterrupted and organic writing experience with support for up to 20-point touch writing concurrently. The built-in shortcut tools save considerable time during presentations and significantly enhance efficiency during teaching and meetings. The digital whiteboard display enables annotation on any video, image, or document, facilitating the effective expression of ideas akin to marking on a traditional whiteboard. Users can privately save content to their cloud, scan using phones, and export content as an image or PDF. Additionally, this smartboard supports up to 4-device wireless screen sharing simultaneously. Equipped with multiple interfaces, particularly the HDMI out interface, the Smart Whiteboard enables screen sharing on a larger screen by connecting 2 interactive screens with an HDMI cable. The rich front ports cater to diverse needs for added convenience. Magnetic grooves ensure the stylus is securely held, preventing loss. This interactive whiteboard comes with a movable stand and wall mount, offering users flexibility in installation. The stand, featuring 4 sturdy lockable wheels, facilitates easy mobility, transforming any room into a versatile meeting space. An all-in-one function makes this electronic whiteboard widely applicable in classrooms, offices, and homes for presentations, remote meetings, and entertainment. HKMLC. The HKMLC 75-inch smartboard is an all-in-one interactive whiteboard designed for classrooms and business environments. This smartboard features a 4K UHD touchscreen display, providing crisp and clear images for enhanced presentations and collaboration. It is equipped with a dual system, allowing users to switch between Android and Windows operating systems for increased versatility and compatibility. The HKMLC 75-inch smartboard comes with a variety of features including built-in speakers, a microphone, and a camera, making it an ideal tool for video conferencing and online collaboration. It also supports multi-touch gestures and pen input, allowing for intuitive and natural interaction with digital content. This smartboard is easy to set up and use, with a user-friendly interfaces and intuitive controls. It is also compatible with a variety of software applications and devices, allowing for seamless integration into existing workflows and environments. As such, the HKMLC 75-inch smartboard is a powerful and versatile tool that enhances collaboration and productivity in classrooms and business settings. Its advanced feature and intuitive design makes it a valuable addition to any organization or educational institution. AG Neovo IFP-6503. The AG Neovo IFP-6503 is a cutting-edge 65-inch smartboard interactive display designed to revolutionize how you collaborate, present, and share ideas. This advanced display boasts a sleek and modern design, perfectly complementing any workspace. With its USB-C connectivity, the IFP-6503 provides seamless integration within a wide range of devices, ensuring hassle-free connectivity and compatibility. Enjoy stunning 4K resolution, delivering crystal-clear images and videos with exceptional detail and clarity. The 20-point multi-touch functionality allows for effortless and intuitive interaction, making it ideal for collaborative work environments. Use the included dual styluses to annotate, draw, or highlight directly on the display, creating an immersive and engaging experience. The built-in Digital Whiteboard app transforms the display into a powerful and versatile tool for brainstorming, planning, and presenting. Take advantage of the comprehensive suites of tools and features, including note-taking, screen recording, and wireless screen mirroring. Overall, the AG Neovo IFP-6503 is a state-of-the-art smartboard interactive display that combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly designs, making it the perfect solution for modern workplaces, classrooms, and collaborative spaces. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channels and please hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.